In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted objects from a Miro board. Suppose you're working on a project and accidentally remove some important components from your Miro board, or maybe someone else on your team does. Don't worry, there's a straightforward way to retrieve those deleted items, as long as you have the right permissions on the board. To begin with, it's crucial that you are either an editor on the board or have been invited as part of the team or project. Without these permissions, you won't be able to access the necessary options to restore deleted objects. Now, once you've confirmed that you have the appropriate access, the first step is to open your Miro board. When the board is open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar is your gateway to many of the board's essential features. Here, you will find an option labeled Board History. Clicking on this option will unfold a variety of tabs that record the activity on your board. For today's purpose, we're particularly interested in the History tab, also known as the Activity tab. This is where you'll find a detailed log of actions taken on the board, including deletions. As you scroll through the History tab, you'll want to watch out for entries specifically labeled Deleted. These entries indicate all the items that have been removed from the board recently. Each entry is accompanied by a timestamp, helping you ensure that you're targeting the correct objects to restore. Once you've located the deleted entries you're interested in, direct your attention to the right side of each entry. Here you'll find a Restore icon. This icon might look like a small arrow or circle, easily recognizable and consistent across deleted items. Clicking this icon is what brings the magic to life. By doing so, you'll restore the selected object to the board precisely where it was before removal. You'll notice that your board will automatically zoom in on the restored object to give you a clear view of its original position and context. This feature is particularly handy when working with larger, more complex boards where pinpointing specific locations manually can be a challenge. To ensure a smooth process, make it a habit to restore objects soon after their deletion. This reduces the chance of confusion and keeps your workflow as efficient as possible. Additionally, if multiple team members are working on the board simultaneously, communicate with them about any potentially critical deletions to follow up quickly. Remember, while restoring items is a lifesaver, consistently saving your board and communicating with your team can prevent accidental deletions from becoming a frequent issue. Now give it a try and see how easy it is to keep your Miro board intact and up to date. Happy collaborating!